Hey, I'm in the greenhouse this morning. It's cold outside. It is 41 in here right now. Sun pops out every now and then. I'm getting ready to add a second set of shelves for Kim in here, and let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so what I've done down here is I've cut these notches in these 2x4s. Say it again. That one's just a 16-inch block, and the other two down there are all notched the same as this right here. Things don't always go as planned, but it still worked out. Let me turn this around and show you what happened. I thought that this would be good enough to set my block in place and let this rest on it, and I thought I still had enough room for my notches, and it ends up the shelving barely goes back in there, same way down there. So I ended up putting some more 16-inch blocks under here in a few spots. The cables, they worked like I wanted them to, and just reusing these old shelves that came out of a rental house we had. We were still in and out of the rental house doing stuff after it sold. It was before we closed on it, and the people just started taking these wire shelves out of the closets and throwing them away. And just the way I am, I just see that I can reuse them for something, and now it's gonna work out good for the greenhouse. It's pretty cold outside. It's very windy in here. It's comfortable. Show you what's in here that Kim has got going, and she's ready to get more in here. She has got plants everywhere in the house. The elderberry cuttings, they are doing really good. I got one that I don't know if it's gonna make it. It doesn't much look like it, but there's one more. So I see 2 out of 47. So pretty good. We've got a certain type of opener that will go on this window up here. I made that out of some of the stuff from the old greenhouse that didn't hold up to what they said it would. But it's activated by heat. And once I get that figured out and get that in, I'll show you how that works. So now it's time for me to pick up the biggest part of my tools, get them out of here, get them back to the shop, and then find something else to share with you guys. Thanks for your time.